Sebastian Taylor with Ozone Technologies. I'm here with John Santos, Rainier Garcia, and on the camera is Saksham Nanda. And we're going to show how the Raivin can be paired with a Ouster LiDAR, which you can see mounted on the roof there with some magnets. And then we're going to drive around, capture some data, and then after that we'll bring it into DeepView Enterprise and show you how easy it is to do the automated ground truth annotations. So to start, we've got the Raivin powered up there with the Ouster. We'll just show a quick view here of the data. So you can see this gravel mound in front of us. We have the radar configured for medium range mode. So we're actually building a data set at medium range mode, which will allow us to detect people and other objects at up to about 25 meters. So right now the point cloud down here is configured for speed. So if you drive backward just a little bit, we'll see it'll start to light up, color up. So the coloring of the point cloud is just based on the speed that we're going. And then once we're all done, we'll show how we're going to train a model to detect people at the medium range using the camera and low-level range Doppler data coming from the radar. And once we've trained that in DeepView Enterprise, we'll deploy it back to the Raivin platform and show it all working. So to start, we're going to record MCAP dataset. So all we do is go to the MCAP screen and just click Start Recording. There we go, the recording's in progress. So now we're going to drive around the area here and go to these gas canisters and capture some data of that happening. So we can see, as we drive around, the points being colored. Again, right now they're being colored based on the Doppler effect. So basically the speed towards or away from the radar unit. At the same time, we're recording all the radar point cloud above there, the LiDAR, point cloud up there. And we'll see that in DeepView Enterprise and how that could be used to automate ground truth generation used to train the low-level fusion model. So while this is going, we can show some of the other screens on the device. I guess we're not wearing our seatbelts. We have an IMU screen here that shows the orientation, yaw, pitch, and roll of the Raivin as it moves around. There's a GPS screen that shows our GPS coordinates in top right. Now the map's not rendering because it requires internet access to download the maps, but all the data's there. And when we bring the MCAP into Fox Club Studio and DeepView Enterprise later on, we'll see all the GPS data is there and captures us driving around. There's also just the raw occupancy grid. So this shows just the point cloud data in a top-down view. Again, we've got it configured for medium range now, so the radar is seeing 25 meters out. In this configuration, it can actually see to about 42 meters for that train there, for example. It would certainly be able to see at 42 meters. For people, it's a little bit more than half, maybe 2/3 of that distance where we can see. So we're just going to set up pointed sort of so we can see the chain link fence and the gas canisters over here, and then we'll get out and walk around while the unit's still recording. So we'll come back once we're outside. There's some cabling here I need to dodge, so see you in a few minutes. Okay. So here we are back outside now. You can see we've got the Raivin with the Ouster mounted on the roof here. The hood is aluminum. So if you have a steel hood, then it can mount right on there, but it's mount up here. You kind of see on the IMU feed there, that's why we had a bit of an angle on the unit. Anyways, we're still recording, so now we're going to switch to getting in front here and show how we're capturing the data set. And then once we bring this into DeepView Enterprise, again, we'll people, we should have bounding boxes automatically generated, and then we'll add some new annotations to, for example, the gas canisters over there. So that's what we'll record for now. Of course, Dataset's going to require a lot more than that, but we don't need to show you all of us standing around here. We'll be capturing at different sites and mixing that all into the dataset. We've got recordings from other days as well, so we'll see the dataset's got quite a few examples from this and other sites.